Should you do repairs on your home before you list it on the market? I'm Megan Kuhn with Powerhouse Real Estate, and today we're going to talk about part of selling, which is should you do repairs and fix up your home prior to putting it on the market? This is a big question that a lot of sellers ask me, and really the answer depends on your specific situation. One thing that sets me and my team apart is that we will actually do a run through of your home and we can give you a report based on either scenario. I can give you the value of your home based on the current condition of your home, but then also recommend things that you could do to increase the value or show you that some of these repairs may not pay you back in the end based on what the outcome sell would be with those things completed. The biggest key factor to this is the condition of your home based on the comparable homes in the area. If your home is dated but in great condition and all the other homes around you have been updated, it's usually a good idea to update it because those other homes are going to bring the value of your home up. There's been recent comparables that will show us the value based on those updates. If your home is older but none of the other homes around you have been updated, so they're all in the same condition, then adding those things may not really pay you back in the end because we don't have the comparables to support the upgrades. And so you're going to be the one kind of setting the mark and getting us to that point. So you don't always get your money back based on the repairs that you've done. A lot of times people will think that they want to do these repairs for them to live in for a while, and that's perfect. If you're going to enjoy these updates and you're going to enjoy the nice new conditions of your home, then that is great. Go ahead and do those and enjoy the new updated home. If you're only doing these things to sell, then talk to a real estate agent first. Call me and my team. We'll run through your home and we'd love to give you the opportunity to see if those upgrades and updates are going to actually add the value that you need in your home, or if it's better to just list the home as is and get a great price for it. One of the most common repairs that will add the most value almost every time is paint. New paint is going to be overall a clean slate for a new homeowner to come into, especially if you have crazy colors. Your daughter wanted a pink room or your living room is yellow. Painting those with a clean, fresh coat of white or gray or a neutral color that's in style at the moment is going to give the buyers an opportunity to look through and really picture themselves there with a clean slate. It's also going to make the house smell better. Paint always makes the home smell new, and it just freshens everything up and makes it feel really warm and fresh and new. That's the number one thing, and it usually will pay you back almost every single time. Flooring is one that also a lot of people want to do. Flooring gets worn out the most in a home, especially if you have kids or animals. It is a really hard project to do as you're living there though. You have to move everything out just to move everything back in, as well as you might pick a flooring that the new homeowner may not love. And so sometimes it's worth it and sometimes it's not. It just depends on the condition, the style of the home, and the other homes around the area. So that's one that you'll want to talk to us about. Now, full remodels like new kitchens, painted cabinets, those types of things, those really are, like I talked about earlier in this video, it really depends on other homes in the area and what their conditions are. If they've all been updated, we probably want to stick with that trend. If not, it's better to just sell it and let the new homeowners do that if they would like to. And the biggest rule of thumb when it comes to repairs is if it's not done well, it's not worth doing at all. The biggest rule of thumb when it comes to home repairs is do it well if you're going to do it. If you are going to do a full remodeled kitchen, make sure you hire the professionals and you do a good job. I walked in so many homes where the cabinets are painted, but they're painted so poorly. It's already chipping or you can see the paint streaks. And homeowners or home buyers are looking through those homes and thinking that unfortunately it's redone, but they're going to have to redo it again anyway. So you're not earning that money back, but you're also actually going to get less for it because they're seeing it as a new project home that needs a lot of work. So if you're going to do the projects, make sure you do them right, get them hired by a professional, pay the money, and make sure that they're done well. One fun fact is the one repair that actually pays you back the very most when it comes to updates and repairs in your home are garage doors. Isn't that wild? Garage doors actually are overall the one thing that we see pay homeowners back the most and you get the biggest return on. It is number one, function. A lot of people really enjoy a functional garage door and they're expensive to repair if it needs to be repaired, as well as it's the first thing you see when you pull up to a home. And so as homeowners see that, the outside of the home looks new and updated, and so that's the number one thing that pays you back. If you have questions about the repairs that you should do on your home before you sell it, or any updates that you're planning to do in your home, it's never too early to reach out to a real estate agent and get their opinion. So give me or my team a call. We're happy to take a look, walk you through the process, and show you what equity you'll gain by doing those repairs and updates. I'm Megan Kuhn with Powerhouse Real Estate. Thanks for tuning in.